What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be seeing if it's worth the extra money to upgrade your car's headlights to LEDs. So, I'm going to be doing a before test and an after test to see if there's really a difference. Alright guys, so before we get the LEDs put in, we're gonna have to wait till nighttime, so that way we can test out the halogen ones and so we can compare it to the LEDs. So, I'll see you guys when it gets dark out. All right guys, so right now it's dark outside, as you can see. I waited till it's dark so that way we can test the old halogen headlights. I'm just in a dark spot on a road near my house. So let's see how the lights look. All right, so right now, these are the running lights. And I can tell you guys right now that they are like 10 times brighter on the camera than in person. So right now, we're gonna turn on the headlights, which as you can see, that's pretty good difference. And then for the real test here, the high beams. And I'm kind of trying to use the pylons and the stop sign at the end of the road to gauge the distance. I'm gonna try and use the same spot when I have the LED lights. But like I said, the camera lens makes the lights look a lot whiter and brighter as well because they're not this bright in person. Anyways, let's get the AUXITO lights installed. With those things, it's gonna be looking like daytime out here. This side's gonna be nice and easy, so we're gonna start with this side because the bulb's just right there. It's kind of pretty hard. It's pretty hard to record, but here it is right here. I got it unplugged. And here's our factory bulb. Let's go take a look at the AUXITO ones now. So here's the package, guys. I'm inside because it's kind of cold out. So as you see, the packaging's pretty nice. The truck uses H13 lights, so let's get this thing opened up. Pretty nice box. All right, so now if we open the box, get some nice gloves, instructions, zip ties, because I'm pretty sure, yeah, there's just a little bit of extra wire because since they're LEDs, they need this box to like convert the energies or something. Anyways, there's a fan on there. They look pretty nice, and actually, this isn't all metal. This feels pretty good quality. So let's get the old ones out. Well guys, here's the difference. Here's the old halogen light. Here's the LED one. So let's get her plugged in. On your truck, the wires will probably not be this messy. The reason they are on this one is because the snowplow harness and stuff to hook up. So anyways, that's locked in. Now we just got to plug it in here. Anyways, so clip it in. There we go. Wow, there we go guys. So as you can see here, I got the one changed out. Hopefully you can tell on camera, I think you can, how much brighter the LED is. This is just the low beams, so let me switch them over to the high beams. There's the high beams. I don't know how well the difference shows up on the camera, but in person there's a really big difference. Let's get the other bulb changed out and then we'll wait till it gets dark outside and go test them out. Alright guys, now that we got the AUXITO lights installed, let's put the drive lights on, which as you can see are pretty bright considering those are just running lights. Now we can turn on the headlights, which is pretty good difference. And now for the real test.
Jesus Christ.
Wow, those high beams were really good. I hope it picks up well on camera, like how bright these things are, and also how wide of range the light goes. Like, look how far you can see in the ditch, and how far with the light you can see. They are definitely way better than the halogen lights. I'm definitely happy with that. I was gonna get a light bar, but I definitely don't need those anymore. Well guys, like I said last night, I'm definitely really happy with these lights, and I'll definitely be keeping them on my truck. So a huge thanks to AUXITO for sending these lights out. And if you guys want a set of LED AUXITO lights or anything else from their website, be sure to use my discount code GatorMonkey for an additional 15% off your purchase. But that's going to be it for today's video. And if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like down below. Also leave a comment and subscribe.